Yo, man, I ain't gonna lie. These Air Jordan 6 Aquas are not half as bad as people been talking about. So let's go ahead and do a full review and on feed over the newly released Air Jordan 6 Aquas, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already seen the thumbnail and the title. We got you guys right with this full review and on feet, full breakdown over the Air Jordan 6 Aquas. Like I said in the intro, man, they're not as bad as people been making them out to be. I think pictures don't do the shoe justice, but actually getting them in hand, it's not a terrible colorway. Probably didn't need this release right now. Would have much rather had the Air Jordan 8 Aquas or, you know what I'm saying, maybe something else. But Air Jordan 6 Aqua, we didn't necessarily need, and we're gonna talk about that in today's video. Before we get into it, if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. You guys already know, man, every single drop, especially like I said, we emphasize these Air Jordan 6 Aquas, man. OutRank brand has you guys covered. I know you guys see the T on me right now, and you see the cap right here, and this is a special, you know what I'm saying, collection that they did drop for these Air Jordan 6s. And here goes another T right here, only has a front logo on there, but you guys can peep it and see how perfect it does go with the Air Jordan 6 Aquas, man. So go check them out. Use my discount code TheVintage. Save you 10% off if you want them, you know, saying simplistic guys like me. A black tee like this with a little bit of hit of the color of the sneaker is perfect. That's my go-to. So you guys can go click that link down below. Use my code TheVintage. Save you 10% off your order. All right, man. First things first. When they pulled the sneaker out, I didn't hit on any reservation or anything like that. I actually went to the mall just for this video for you guys, man. I wanted to, you know what I'm saying, see how these Air Jordan 6 Aquas look. And here goes the box. I was a bit surprised. I didn't watch no videos or anything about these Air Jordan 6 Aquas. Definitely a sleeper release. But you guys see the box, kind of got that tri box or whatever. Got that kind of purple color over here and the turquoise, and you had that turquoise Jumpman on the top. And then the official color reads Air Jordan 6 Retro Black Bright Concord and Aqua Tone. So you guys peep that official size tag. Let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair of these joints, because I know a lot of times I don't be asking, man. So let me know right now if you did secure a pair of these Air Jordan 6 Aquas. All right, guys, now taking a look at both of the sneakers, man, the first things first, I want to point out how thick the suede is on the upper, brush. Straight thick suede all around the sneaker. They hit us with some good quality as far as that, but I do want to say, like, on the toe box area, it is really soft. Like, I don't know what that's about. You know, usually you do have your shoe tree in there, which I do have, but like the toe box is not like formed at all. And I'm pretty sure once you get some wears at these, you're gonna get a crease and a suede Air Jordan 6. I know it's kind of weird, but if you got a pair in hand, you know exactly what I'm talking about, man. Got your Concord Jumpman on the lacing system right here. And of course, you got that same Concord hit on your pacifier, your lace lock, whatever you do like to call this thing. Peeping out the spoilers, man, check it out. You got your Aqua theme all over this sneaker with the spoiler on the back. You got that Concord, and then flipping it to the midsoles on these guys. Probably the breadwinner for the sneaker. The thing that probably made people buy these sneakers is that Aqua effect on the midsole, man. I feel like Air Jordan 6s and 8s probably had the best midsoles as far as, you know what I'm saying, the Jordan line. I might be missing a couple of those sneakers, but as far as these right here, man, I'm telling you, I killed it with the lower part of the sneaker. And I wasn't even saying, like, if they would have just dropped a white pair, you know, some crispy leather like they did on the Midnight Navies, and they had, you know what I'm saying, the Aqua hits on the bottom, I'm definitely thinking it's a totally different sneaker. Be a lot more people trying to grab these joints and add them to the collection. But the all black, man, I'm honestly not feeling it on this Air Jordan 6 Aqua theme that they had going on. And then you did get your icy blue bottoms on these things, and you do have another Concord Jumpman down below as well. So a long time ago, we did get these 5s. I don't even remember what year they were. I actually got these when I was in Luxembourg, visited when I was over there in Germany. I got these for a steal price. I was like, man, I never had a pair. They got the white pair, they had the Fresh Prince pair, and then it had this all black pair right here with the suede, more like a nubuck all the way around it. But that's kind of what matches these Air Jordan 6s right here. Got that reverse kind of, you know, alternate Aqua, whatever you do want to call it. Only difference between the two is you do get like a heavy suede on the upper, and then you follow over to the Air Jordan 5s. like a light suede or like a nubuck all the way around it. And I believe back in 2021, we also got the alternate grade things. You guys know these things went crazy. I know a lot of people still trying to find a pair of these things. The resale ain't too crazy. When we talking about sleeper fives, you know what I'm saying, sneaker that you pass up on, and now it's a lot of people trying to go back and get them. This is a solid Air Jordan 5 colorway in my opinion, and I really love it, man, so I had to keep it in the collection. So again, let me know right now down below in the comment section, man, who snagged a pair. Rate these things 1 through 10. Is it a W or is it an L? Did you cop? Did you drop? I need to see all you guys' thoughts and opinions over the newly released Air Jordan 6 Aquas, man. Like I said, not a necessary pickup, nothing that I was a must cop, nothing that I went crazy over. I just went to the mall after I went to the gym and seen that they had them. It was pairs pretty much in every single store except for Foot Locker and Champs and stuff like that, because they did let people get the entire day to pick up their pair. And I'm pretty sure tomorrow, if I went to the mall, it's gonna be a lot of Air Jordan 6 Aquas sitting on the shelves, man. Again, man, make sure you guys go check out OutRank brand. You guys see the hat, the tee, and this one right here probably is gonna go first. I don't know why I didn't put this one on, but you guys will see this over on IG a little bit later today with me rocking this tee from OutRank brand. Use my discount code DaVintage. I'm telling y'all, say that 10% off. The stuff goes pretty quick. Limited collection. Again, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Make sure you guys subscribe right now if you haven't subscribed already. More reviews and no feats. Got an early look for you guys coming very soon. And I must say, bro, it's probably one of the most anticipated releases of 2023. I know it was for me. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. And with all this being said, let's go ahead and finish the on feet over the Air Jordan 6 Aquas, man. Peace.